Next on Scratch coding cards, we have adding a sound to a particular sprite. And from the backdrop library for the sprites library, we are going to take any character like they have shown for this one. And from the sound category, we can add multiple sound options and we can record our sound also. And here in the coding cards, they have given this set of instructions to be given to that particular sprite. Now let's begin this particular activity by opening a Scratch application. You can simply double click on this or press enter from the keyboard. It will open for you. And in this particular activity, we are going to take a sprite from the sprite library called Champ. And this cat sprite is not required, so we can delete this. And basically, we are going to add sound to this. And basically, when you are pressing any key, so that particular sound should play. So here from this instruction, when a particular key is pressed, a lot of keys are available. We can take any one. And from the sound category, we can take the start sound instruction. Then go to the sound category, and from the library, we can search for any sound. So we are taking human beatbox, the second one. And now if we look at the drop down arrow, so we have got that particular sound. And we can select the desired sound accordingly. Further, from the looks category, what we are going to do is we are going to make this particular activity a little bit fun. So we are going to set the whirl effect to 50, and multiple options are there in this particular list. So you can try one by one all of them. And once we have applied this whirl effect to 50, so we are going to wait for some time, and again we are going to bring this whirl effect to 0. And let us try how this looks, and hope you enjoy that. There are a lot of options in that particular list. You can try the others also. So now here you can see when we press D from the keyboard, so what happens to the sprite on the game stage. So this is basically the effect of whirl effect.